This video we're going to talk about how you can use Make It Now projects, how to find it, how to utilize it inside Cricut Design Space. So the projects can all be found right here with this little button. So if we click it, this will take us to our projects category. And when you find an item on here that you'd like to do, you can either manually scroll through things or you can search. You can search based upon category. And when you click on an item here, it's going to have several photos of the project. Okay, so you can scroll through the photos and see if it's a type of project that you want. Down below, we'll notice that we do have the title, which is the 4th of July banner, followed up with the difficulty level. So this one says it's very easy to do. The time that it's going to take to make this project in full should be around 30 minutes to an hour. So Make It Now projects are great for, what kind of ideas are there out there, simple projects for me to make in a quick, creative way. So that's a great way to take a look at it. You also have information regarding the materials to cut, what's all involved with it. Talks a little bit about the preparation, the cut, and the assembly. And down here at the very bottom, you get to see, what is this going to cost me, if anything, for me to make it. So that would be found right down here. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at something that does cost money. If you don't have a subscription or you don't have the cartridge. So we're going to take a look at this, and let me go ahead and scroll all the way down and take a look at every single thing that's involved. So you can sort of see that it's $4.95. If I were to go ahead and create this project, you can sort of see how they get that pricing of the $4.95. Now the buttons over here. So we have Customize and Make It. Make It will actually take you directly to the matte preview and get you ready to cut. So if you click on Make It, this is how easy Design Space has made this for you. It automatically loads the matte with what you would need to do in order to get this project going. The downside of you clicking the Make It button is it doesn't allow you to have any customization to the project itself. So as you can see, I have all these various mats ready for me to use when it comes to this. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at what happens if we happen to decide to customize it. So if we click on the Customize button, we are now going to be taken to our canvas. And this is where, if the sizing no longer makes sense to you, you can go ahead and resize everything. Okay, so that is how the customization would work. And then once you are ready, it's at that point where you have to click the Make It button, and that's when your mats would load with the correctly sized images based upon your canvas that you decided to use. Okay, so that's the Make It Now projects. Like I said, very easy to use, very easy to find things, whether that's based upon category, or you can go ahead and search for your own keywords as well. All right.